CalTier Real Estate Crowdfunding App Pricing explained what you get for your money. CalTier is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows investors to access commercial and residential properties with relatively small amounts of capital. Many assume real estate investing requires tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars, but CalTier breaks that barrier. The app is free to download and explore. When it comes to investing, CalTier typically requires a minimum investment of $0 per property. The platform charges a management fee ranging from 1% to 15% annually, which covers property management, maintenance, and investor reporting. There may also be one-time fees during property acquisition or exit, often ranging from 0.5% to 1% of the transaction value. Most people get this wrong by assuming that crowdfunding platforms offer little transparency or control. The surprising truth is that CalTier provides detailed property data, expected returns, and projected cash flows for each investment, allowing investors to make informed decisions. For example, at zero investment in a multi-family property could yield monthly rental income and potential appreciation, all tracked directly in the app. In conclusion, CalTier's pricing structure is straightforward, transparent, and competitive for the type of access it provides. With low minimum investments, clear management fees, and professional property handling, it's an attractive option for investors who want exposure to real estate without the hassle of direct property management.